So guys, welcome back to the video, and today what we will do that we have to connect our whole project to database to import some data and to give some data or export some data. So in the last video what we have done is this much. Okay, in the last video we have done this much. So we have to make a connect button. So city connect db button. Okay, so P button, and we will place it in data entry frame. Entry frame. Data entry frame. Okay, and then what we can do is we will give text is equal to connect to database. Okay, and then we'll configure its font and everything. It will be same as this. So okay, from here I can copy everything. Now what can I do is I will paste it over here and just forget it. Done. And then I will give some 500, not so 500, 600 maybe. Okay, I think it will work. It should work. Okay, so there is some problem over. Okay, I got the problem. As we have copied it, so we forgot to do here connect db. CONNECT connect database button. Okay, now we can run it in seed. Okay, so we have a button here, but we have to somewhat adjust it, so we'll adjust it later. Let's finish our main box first of all. Now what we have to do is we have to give a command to it. So like command is equal to CONNECT connect database. Okay, connect database. Now we're going up, we will create some function called connect database. F connect database. Okay, as you can see, I will just pass it. Okay, everything is fine. Let's run it and see it. Okay, when we look at it, will just pass it, so nothing will appear. For that we will say print. Okay, then we will run it again and we will see that it works or not. Okay, so there is a problem. We have just said connect db, and what we have given down here is connect db. Okay, so I think so this should not come. Okay, now we can run it. Okay, when we press connect to db, then here you will see okay is printed. Again we can do again okay. As many time we will press, it will be printed. So we can say that our function and command is working. So going further, we have to make a new window over here. So what we can do is we will make a new window by our command. Okay, now what we can do is just let me check if it is okay. It is running. Now what we can do is we will say db root. Okay, is equal to top level. As we have to make a window in our root. Okay, so db root dot geometry. As I was just did my own, so you can use anything, like you can place it anywhere you want. Now what we have to do is db.config. Okay, fi is config and bg is equal to black. Okay, so db.root. Okay, db root. Okay, then we have to close the main loop, so db root dot main loop. Okay, everything is fine. Let's run it and see, check it. If any error occurs, then we will manage it. Okay, so you can see our new window is popped up over here. Now in this we have to add three things: our host name, then our root, and then our password. Okay, so for that we will go further. Okay, so going further, we will do uh, first of all we will label it. So we can say host label. For first of all we have host, so host label is equal to label, lab label. Then we will say db root. Okay, because we want in db root. And then we can say text is equal to host. Okay, host name, maybe just host. Okay, and then font is equal to 20, or no, times just a second, times, and then we can say 20, not 20, 12, and then bold. Okay, bold. And then we can say relief is equal to group. Let's work group. Okay, I don't think so. Then we will paste. Okay, host dot place. Okay, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. Okay, I think it should work. Let's run it and see it. Connect to db. Okay, there is a host, so we have to increase it, and we have to add some more styles to it. We have to decrease this also, or disable this button also. So for that we will just add that command over here, db root dot resizable, reset I s a b. Is it okay? No. Okay, resizable, resizable, false, comma false. Okay, false. I think it should work. Why it? Okay, I have done did not. Okay, db. Okay. So we can run it and see it again. Just a second. Okay, connect to db, and yes, you can see this is not working, so we'll close it. And then we can say yep. Then we have to do for another one, user label is equal to label, and then we will copy it everything. But first of all we will add some more styles to it. So okay, we will say just remove this one, and then we will say font size is equal to 20. It will work. And then we are missing something, host. Okay, so we can say host, and then we can go further. We will add a background is equal to black. In future videos we will update these all the colors, and we will use some color palettes for it. And then we have to use border width is equal to 15. And then we can say width, it is equal to what again? Okay, 15. Let's keep it 15 again. Let's see how it goes. Okay. No, it's not going correct. We have to decrease this one. Bd is equal to 4. Okay, not 14, also 4. Just by mistake I have said 15. Now it's looking good. I know the problem why it's not, because you have to add some font ground also. So edge is equal to white. Yep, now it will go perfect. Yes, so as you can see we have everything over here. Then we can say anchor is equal to waist, so it will be on, everything will be on waist side. anchor is equal to waste. Okay, now let's run it again. Every time we have to run it and see it. Okay, so we have this one. We will decrease size of this width. Okay, so we will say width is equal to 10. This will work. And now we have to just copy it for our another one. Copy it, and now for 2 times we have to copy. This is for user and this is for password. So we will say user, again user as. Okay, then we will say text is equal to username. User. Okay, not username. We have to just minimize as much we can, then everything will be same. X-axis and y-axis, okay, we have to increase y-axis, so we will say, okay, we will say 20. Let's run it and see. Before that we have to do this one. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, connect to DB, and okay, we have a user, but we have to bring it more down. Okay, for that we have to add something more to it. Let's say 50, not 50 will also not work. 80 will perfectly work, I think so. Okay, okay, yeah, 50 will work. No, but it's looking good, right? Yeah, 50, not 50, not 80. We will say, okay, just we will say 60, not 50, not 80. Okay, we will say 60, and then we will increase this to 140. It's very much, I know. 60 plus 40 is 14. Okay, so we can say 120. Okay, now let's run it. First of all, we'll just place all the things correctly. Now it's looking perfect. Yes, it is good. And then we will close it. Okay, we'll just say 10. Here we'll password. Just a second. Okay, password. Here also pass. Here also pass. Okay, again everything is fine, I think so. Yep, everything is fine only. Let's run it again, and yes, password is fine. Password is looking somewhat big, so let's use just pass. Short form, can we use it? Enter pass. Okay, it is, I think so it will work, because we will minimize everything. Okay, pass will work. Okay, it will work. Now, okay, now we have to add text entries in front of it. So we will set text entries, and here was our labels. labels. Okay, now we have to add our text entries. Okay, so text entries, same to same, but we have to do something new. So yeah, same to same, host e. Okay, we have said host e. So for host entry we have used host e. Okay, we will say end entry. Okay, and then we will say db root. Okay, db root, comma font will be same to same, is equal to times, and then say 20. Again bold. Okay, and it's italic, maybe it works. Okay, and then we will say text variable is equal to host 1. Okay, it's host 1. You can name anything, text variable, and then we have to paste it. So host e dot place, we will say x is equal to 5. No, x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 5. Okay, something is missing. Okay, we can again say host well host one is equal to empty. Okay, I can say okay. Going further, we will run it again and see it. So yep, connect to DB. Okay, so is our we have to move some what left side. So we'll do it. So I have to move left side, and then I will say 15 over here. Okay, then I will say width is equal to 10. Okay, I think it should work. I don't know. Connect to DB and oh, okay, Italy. Okay, it is okay, Italy. Otherwise, we will remove it. No, font will be 20 only. We will just increase the size of it 15. Okay, and we will say 150 to 170. Okay, no, let's say it 190. Then we will adjust it as per need. No needed of adjusting it. It is looking good. We'll add some another designs to it, like relief is equal to glue. Not glue. Every time we use red image. Okay, and then we can say BD is equal to 4. Doing great. Let's increase some width to 17. Not 75. I said 17. Okay. Anything missing? Nothing missing. Okay, let's run it and check it. Why I'm running every after times to see that we are going correct or not. Otherwise, we will code many things and then we will find that it was not correct. So you have to run many times. Okay, then it is looking correct, and we can see our italic style also applied inside it. Now we have to do for user and password. Okay, I think we have to do password for 20 thing. Okay, now we will do same things for all the three. So we will copy it and then we will paste it over here. Okay, so this is for user and this is for password. Okay, pass key. This is again user. And then this is pass e. Yeah, pass e. Okay, user pass e. Okay, everything is fine. 190 we have to change y. Okay, y again 5 like we have done y is equal to 5 for the first time, and then we have to do 60 for the second time, and then 120 for the third time. Okay, 120 done. Everything is done. Let's run it and see it. Okay, everything is fine. Let's hope for the best. And yep, okay, everything is fine. We can end everything, and then we have to add a button over here, submit button. Okay, or connect button, anything you say it. So we will say connect. Okay, for we have to do something over here. Text is equal to user, and then here we have password. Okay, for what we are using this text variable to get up all the text from it. So we can use it to get the text from the entry box, and then use it to uh, connect to our database. Okay, user 1 is equal to okay, and then pass 1 is equal to this. Okay, it looks good. Let's okay, it is recording, and okay, everything is good. Now we have to add our connect button. Okay, so for that let's copy it from down over here. our some one button from here, because again we have to type everything, and again we have to give styles to it. In place of we can copy paste it, because styles we have to say manually. Then we will say sub button. Okay, submit button. So sub button. Okay, uh, we will place it 190, not 190, maybe 190. Okay, we will do afterward. And we have to say here connect. Okay, see, connect. Okay, everything is good. Let's run it and see how it goes. I think it should go correct. Oh, no. There is a problem. I just forgot to remove this data entry frame. We have to do it db root. Okay, because I have to enter it in our second window, which will be opened by connect to db. Okay, so button is here. Now just all is correct. We have to just increase some y-axis. So y-axis we will say 150. So let's say 230. Okay, 230 is good and correct. Let's run it. Connect to db. And not 230. It's very much 200. Uh, let's make it 190 only. 190. Okay. Now let's run it and see it again. Okay, it is perfect and good. Okay.